Click on the link below to get price. The Powermate PM3800 is a remarkable gas-powered portable generator that combines power and efficiency in a lightweight, open-frame design. With a maximum output of 3,800 watts, it meets the needs of both recreational users and those looking for backup power during outages. One of the standout features of this generator is its ultra-quiet performance. Rated at just 58 dBA at 25% load, it operates quietly enough to keep conversations going and minimize disturbances in residential areas. This is particularly important for camping or outdoor events where noise can detract from the experience. The open-frame design not only contributes to its quiet operation but also reduces weight, making it more portable than traditional generators. Starting the PM3800 is straightforward, thanks to its easy-to-use recoil start mechanism. It features a powerful 224 cubic centimeters engine that provides reliable performance. Users have reported consistent power delivery for appliances, tools, and electronics, making it ideal for tailgating, camping, or as an emergency power source for home use. The generator is equipped with multiple outlets, including two 120V household outlets and one 12V DC outlet, ensuring compatibility with various devices. Fuel efficiency is another strong point, with a runtime of up to 13 hours on a single tank at 25% load. This means less frequent refueling during long events or power outages, thereby enhancing the user experience. Safety is paramount, and the PM3800 includes an automatic low-oil shutdown feature, protecting the engine from damage. The generator is also easy to maintain, with accessible components that simplify routine checks and servicing. In conclusion, the Powermate PM3800 3800-watt portable generator is an excellent choice for those seeking a reliable, quiet, and efficient power solution. Its combination of portability, fuel efficiency, and user-friendly features makes it a standout option for home backup, outdoor adventures, or construction sites.